The infrastructure that powers modern life is aging. Power grids, pipelines, substations. Maintaining them at scale demands inspection capabilities that go further than any ground team can reach. Drone operations are how leading utilities are closing that gap. Getac CommandCore, a unified platform that brings together mission planning software, rugged field hardware, and complete payload control. Designed so operators can focus on the mission, not the system. The Getac CommandCore solution enhances your mission-focused GCS software, enabling automated waypoint missions, grid-based surveys, and terrain-following operations, all managed from a single, rugged display. CommandCore seamlessly integrated the UX10 GCS with the payload technologies your operations rely on. From the gimbal inspection and tactical illumination to aerial broadcast, the rugged UX10 not only manages multiple payloads, but also delivers dependable performance in the most demanding environments. Military standard 810H compliant, IP65 rated, sunlight readable display. CommandCore solution is purpose-built to handle complex GCS workloads in harsh environments, maintaining stable operation when mission success is critical. From the UX10 to the payloads, CommandCore is a complete Getac ecosystem. One platform designed to scale for system integrators building field solutions and drone service providers flying the missions that matter. One solution, every mission. Getac